Grade 9 Biology, the Fundamental Unit of Life, Module 4. Objectives: to illustrate cell organelles, to describe the role of cell organelles, to discriminate plant cell and animal cell. At first, the cell organelle endoplasmic reticulum, in short ER. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. There are two types of ER: rough endoplasmic reticulum RER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum possesses ribosomes on its membrane, but smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosomes on its membrane. This is a diagram showing smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of RER and SER. The ribosomes are the sites of protein manufacture. So the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids, important for cell function. Some of these proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis. Some other proteins and lipids function as enzymes and hormones. Let us know what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. 1. Serve as a channels for the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. 2. Functions as cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. Second cell organelle, Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus, first described by Camillo Golgi, consists of a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stalks called cisterns. The material synthesized near the ER is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Functions of Golgi apparatus: storage, modification and packages of products in vesicles. Second, formation of complex sugars from simple sugar. Third, formation of lysosomes. Another cell organelle is lysosome. It's a sac-like structure in a cell surrounded by a membrane. They keep the cells clean by digesting and breaking the outside materials like bacteria, food entering the cell, or worn out cell organelles into small pieces. They are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzymes capable of breaking down all organic material. Why lysosomes are called suicidal bags? The lysosomes contain hydrolytic enzymes which are capable of breaking down organic matter in case of any disturbance in cellular metabolism. For example, when a cell gets damaged, the lysosomes burst and enzymes digest their own cell. Hence, the lysosomes are known as suicide bags of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. It is surrounded by two membranes. The outer membrane is porous, whereas the inner membrane has deep folds called cristae that provides a large surface to perform chemical reactions required for the generation of ATP. The ground substance or space enclosed by membrane is called a matrix. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes and are hence capable to produce some of their required proteins. Why are mitochondria called the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because the energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP molecules. Plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cell. There are two types of plastids, chromoplasts and leucoplasts. The internal organization of the plastids consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called stoma. Plastids are similar to mitochondria an external structure. Plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes. Chromoplasts. Chromoplasts are the colored plastids present in leaves, flowers, and fruits. Plastids containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplasts. They are important for photosynthesis in plants. Leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oils, and protein granules are stored. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid-filled organelles surrounded by a membrane called tonoplast. Animal cells have small-sized vacuoles, whereas plant cells have large vacuoles. It provides turgidity and rigidity to the plant cell. It acts as a storage sacs of cell and stores food, water, sugar, minerals, and waste products of the cell. Let us compare plant cell and animal cell. Differences between plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell wall present. Animal cell wall absent. Plant cell, plastid present. Animal cell, plastid absent. In plant cell, large vacuole present in the center of the cell, but in animal cell, vacuoles are small. In plant cell, nucleus is present in the side of the cell, but in animal cell, nucleus is present in the center of the cell.